Okay, excellent. Hello, everyone. So we will see each other again, and it will be in Prague, in my country. So this is the date. Save the date, 10 to 13 September 2024. There will be no single JBI event, no single Cochrane, no single gin, no single Campbell, because all of them together will come to Prague. So those are the main partners of the organizing committee who actually several years ago initiated the great idea to actually meet together. And we heard a lot of this week, and also from our plenary speakers, how important it is to collaborate together, make the synergies, and the Global Evidence Summit will be all about it. And it's not only those partners, but also we have several other who already collaborate with us on this. And the Global Evidence Summit was meant to be every 4 years. So I personally call it as the Olympic Games in Evidence Synthesis. Well, here is the program. So the first main theme is a sustainable development agenda. Then we'll also explore research integrity, making evidence accessible. Very important one, power of synergy in evidence synthesis and synthesis products. We will be seeking a lot for joint methodological workshops, joint workshops from all collaborators. So if you're preparing one, make sure you connect with your colleagues from the other organizations as well and make it together. Evidence translation and implementation, advocating for greater evidence communication and use of evidence, and then from global evidence to local impact. This is our venue. It's a pretty new venue. O2 Universum, it's fantastic there. We have some very special ideas for a gala dinner, and for this it will be the Prague Municipal House. And before the end, here is some small taste of the Prague.
Come on, let's get ready. You know where we're heading. Giving a jive, living a life, we're gonna hit the heights. When that clock strikes midnight, we don't stop till daylight. So banish your blues and polish your shoes, we're gonna hit the heights. Cause I lose my head, feel my body sway when I hear that Creole music start to play. Gotta find that feeling when your mind starts reeling. Ready to blow, raring to go, we're gonna hit the heights. Get it, boys! I go real dizzy and I lose control when I feel that rhythm burning in my soul. I said, come and get it, cause you won't regret it. Follow the drum, get out of the slum, we're gonna hit the heights. I said, follow the drum, get out of the slum, head for the neon lights. We're gonna hit the heights, gonna hit the heights.
Okay, excellent. So see you in Prague.